Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Solution for All. Friends, every day we perform various activities and for every activity we follow a certain rule, a certain sequence. Like if we want to play cricket, so for that first of all we have to see the condition of pitch, then we will toss for the game and then we will start actual playing and then award function is there. Fine. We cannot change this sequence like first we will do award function and then start playing. We cannot do. Similarly, there are many mathematical operations in mathematics and for operating these mathematical operations, there is a certain order. That order we will know today. So, see, in primary level, we know about D mass. Primary level, we know about D mass. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. When we go to higher classes, we know about board mass. Board mass, that is B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction, and more higher classes we know about VD mass. V stands for vinculum, then B bracket, O of, D division, M multiplication, A addition and S subtraction. So, we will know about all these three concepts, D mass, board mass and VD mass one by one. Fine. So friends, first of all I have taken D mass. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction means here first of all we will do the work of division. So work of division, that means 40 divided by 8. Remaining all will be as it is, no any change. So 40 divided by 8, that is 5 plus remaining all we will write as it is 7 plus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now you can see that after division, multiplication work is there. So now we will do the work of multiplication. So here remaining will be as it is 5 plus 7 plus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Now we will do the work of addition. So addition of these three numbers, we will get 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 9, that is 21. So we will write here 21 minus 6. Now the last work, that will be 21 minus 6, 11 minus 6, 5, 15. So answer is 15. Fine. Here I have taken another example. Now see, 23 divided by 4, 23 plus 45 divided by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 4. So first work will be of division. So remaining all as it is 23 plus 45 divided by 5, that is 9 minus 3 multiplied by 4. Now after division, multiplication work will be there. So multiplication remaining all as it is 23 plus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. Now which one work? This addition work. 23 plus 9, that is 32. 32 minus 12. So we will get here 20. So 20 is the answer. Fine. Friends, now we will discuss about board mass. B stands for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. It will go in that sequence. Now the thing is that brackets, types of brackets, this is called simple or small bracket. Fine. Then this one is called curly bracket and this one is called square bracket. Fine. So brackets are of three types. Bracket is of three types. Fine. So simple. First of all, we will do the work of simple bracket. First step, simple bracket. Then in second, we will do curly bracket. And then in third, we will do square bracket. So here, what should we do first? First, we will do this one, because this is simple or small bracket. So first we will do the work of simple bracket. So leave all things as it is. We will write all things as it is. 45 minus square bracket 38 minus curly bracket 60 divided by 3 minus. Now this work. So you know that DMAS rule. First of all, we have to do the division work and then we go to that subtraction work. So in this, under this bracket, we will do 6 minus 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So we will write like this, divided by 3, then curly bracket closed, then a square bracket closed. Again, see, this bracket work is remaining, so we will complete this bracket work first. So it will be 45 minus remaining all as it is, no any change. We will now 6 minus 3, that is 3. So we will write 3 here, and now this small bracket will end. Fine. And divided by 3, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Now we will do the work of curly bracket. Here in curly bracket, division work and division work. So we will complete this division work, remaining all as it is. 45 minus 38 minus, now in this curly bracket, 60 divided by 3, that is 20, minus 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Fine. Now close the brackets. Now come 45 minus 38 minus 20 minus 1, that is 19. So we will write here 19, and this curly bracket will end here. We will put square bracket. Now 45. So this work we will do first. Now here this work we will do first. 38 minus 19, that is 19. Now we will do this work. So 45 minus 19, 15 minus 9, 6, 3 minus 1, 2. So answer is 26. Fine. Now the another example of BODMAS is 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2. It is under square bracket, plus 18 minus 6, that is under a small bracket. Fine. Now here you have to see that first of all we will do the work of this square bracket. Fine. No, first of all we will do the work of this small bracket. So small bracket, remaining all as it is. Whatever is there, 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 plus 18 minus 6, that is 12. Fine. Now we will start doing the work of this square bracket. In a square bracket, under this square bracket, many operations are there. You can see subtraction is there, division is there, off is there. According to BODMAS rule, after bracket, off work should be there. So first of all, we will do the work of this off. 3 of 2 means off means multiplication, nothing else. So 3 of 2 means 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So we will write here under a square bracket 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 means 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, and plus 12 as it is. Now here subtraction and division work is there. So first of all we will do the work of division. So here 72 minus 12 divided by 6, that is 2. It is under a square bracket, plus 12. Now 72 minus 2. So this will be 70 plus 12, that is 82. So answer is 82. Here you have to see that when many operations are there in a bracket, so you have there also you have to follow the rule of BODMAS. Means first of all, after inside the bracket you have to first do the work of off, then go to division, then go to multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. By this way you can solve the question. Fine. Friends, this is the example of V BODMAS. V for vinculum, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Vinculum is represented as this. This line you can see upside, this is known as bar. Fine, this is known as bar and represented as this. So, according to this rule that numbers are in bracket, first of all we should do the multiplication work, multiplication operation, but we will not do because here vinculum is there, bar is there. So first of all we will complete this bar work and then we will go ahead. So first thing is that we have to see this bracket one. So complete bracket, we can see the complete bracket, but in that complete bracket we will see the bar division first. So remaining all we will write as it is, 1 minus 3 upon 7 of under bracket 6 plus 8 multiply by 3 minus 2, that is 1. So here 1 and remaining all we will write as it is, 1 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 25 minus 3 upon 7 plus 8 upon 14 and bracket closed. Now which work will be there first? Multiplication work. So here 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 6 plus 8 is under bracket plus remaining all as it is, 1 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 25 minus 3 upon 7 plus 8 upon 14 and bracket closed. Now 6 plus 8, 14, that work we will do first. So 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 6 plus 8, 14. So now friends, we can do, if two brackets are separate, we can do these two brackets work together also, but you will get confused. That is why I am taking steps one by one. Fine. So here now we will start here this work. So 1 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 25 will be as it is, because if two brackets are together then we have to check that which bracket should come first. Here two brackets, square brackets and curly brackets are there. So curly brackets work will we do first. So here 3 upon 7 plus 8 upon 14. You know that we will take the LCM of 7 and 14, that is 14. 14 divided by 7, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 14 divided by 14, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 8, that is 8. That you have already learnt in junior classes, that how to take LCM and find the addition and subtraction of fraction. Now come 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 14 plus, now see here which work should first. This work should be first. So 6 plus 8, 14, 14 divided by 14. 1 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 25 minus 14 divided by 14. I am taking directly here 1, and now is 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 14 plus here. Now this division work will be there. So 1 upon 5 division work will come will be multiplication, and then this will reverse reciprocal of this, that means 25 upon 7. So 5 5 ja 25 and minus 1 will be as it is. So now what will you get? 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 14 plus what we will get? 5 upon 7 minus 1. Fine. 5 upon 7 minus 1. So what we will get? 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 14 plus 5 upon 7 minus 1 can be written as 7 upon 7 also. Fine. Now I have to rub the part. So here 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 14 plus 5 upon 7 minus 7 upon 7, that is minus 2 upon 7. You know that under bracket if minus sign is there and outside the bracket plus sign is there. So plus minus we will multiply it and it will be minus. So answer will be 1 minus 3 upon 7 of 14 minus 2 upon 7. Now we will do this work first. So answer will be here 1 minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 14, that is 7. 1 minus 3 upon 7 into 14, is 7 2s are 14 minus 2 upon 7, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 minus 2 upon 7. Now what you have to do? You can take the LCM of this 7. So 7 minus 42 minus 2. So you know that 7 minus 42, this subtraction work is there. So 7 minus 42, that is 35. 35 minus 2, that is 33. But it will come in minus sign. Fine. So minus 33 upon, just a minute. 7 minus 42 plus 2, that is 44. 44 minus 7 if we will do, then it will be 7 minus 44. 7 minus 44 upon 7, that is 14 minus 7, 7. So 37 minus 37 upon 7. This will be the answer. So in this V board mass, first of all we will complete the work of vinculum. Then we will go to bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. This is a very big sum. At last you have to keep in mind that these two numbers are with negative sign, so you have to add these two numbers first, that is minus 44. 7 minus 44, that is minus 37 upon 7. So by this way we understood that what is D mass, what is board mass, and what is V board mass. Fine. And how to go the mathematical operations in a particular sequence, particular order. I hope you enjoyed and understood in a better manner. Thank you so much.